Today's video, we are going to see like how can you use different controls like text box, email, drop down button, and how can you provide different set of rules to these controls. Okay, so this is the page. So in this video, we will focus on this first page design only, and in the next video, we will see the next page design. Okay, so I will go to the design page, like how I've designed this app. I will show you. So first, like we have to take the layout container. In this layout, this is the first container. To this first container, I have taken the header first. In this header, we can provide like the header you want and also style as per your requirements. Like here, I have like given the size as 18, make it as bold, and so on. And also, you can provide the background color you want. After this, like I've taken the image. In the general, you can see like I've binded the image. You can also provide the image which you want over here. Okay, so moving further, in the second container, you can also provide the appropriate name to the controls. In second container, you can see the first text box. The input type of this is text. And here you can see I've also binded a value over here in argument. So this we will see in the next video. So in the first video, we will focus on the designing part only. After this, in the label, you can see like I provided a label customer full name, hint text as like enter full name. You can see over here. Required, you can make it as true or false. As you can see like pattern, like I provided over here, A to Z, regex pattern. This so this means like it will take only the alphabetical values starting from alphabetical in this text box. In the second text box, you can see like I've provided a different pattern that is /d. So it will take the value starting with the numbers. Yeah. In the third text box, this is different text box. In the control, you can see go to controls, and in input, you can see this text box email. Yeah, this is that control. So in this control, you have a different property called like allow domain. So here you have to put the list. So which domain you want to put, which domain email you want to take. So I provided over here is like gmail.com, accelerate.com. So you can provide as per your requirement. So this is different control. This is the drop down control. So here you have to pass the list source. So list source I have passed like is equal to list, and here you can pass the options you want. This is the normal button. So in this, here is a property called disable. It has to be true or false, right? So it is false, it is disabled. If disable is equal to false, that time it is like enabled, mean it will show. So for this, like I have the different condition over here. So you can see like all these controls. You can pass the appropriate name over here. So you can say text dot is valid, text one dot is valid, drop down dot is valid. I have passed it over here or, and before that I have put like not. Means when all these are filled up, it will make it as true, and not will make it as false. So disable is equal to false. That time the button will be enabled, right? So I will preview it. So this is the page, right? So in case if I put it number over here, it will not take that input. Yeah, it will select invalid input because if you have provided some set of rules over here, like it is required and the pattern has to be alphabet, right? So here you have to provide input that start with alphabet. I will provide my name Aniket Danade. Now you can see it has taken the input as a valid input. Same for the account number. If I put any like alphabet over here, it will not take. It has to be number because here you have provided the pattern. It has to start with number. You can see /d, right? So you have to provide the number over here. Email ID. In case like if I provide different email ID like aniket@yahoo.com, it will not take because the allowed domain are this one gmail.com and accelerate.com, which we have provided over here, right? So you have to provide the valid domains like gmail.com. Now it will take, right? Now account types like saving current from here, the list which you have provided. It will take that one, right? And now you can see the button is enabled. And I will show you again. If anything is like not filled up, it will be like disabled, right? I show you that condition, right? So that is what. So here you have to provide a valid email. For now, I will like put this one. Hmm. So all the inputs, like all the fields have been filled up now. Now you can go to the next page. Okay. So this page designing we will see in the next video. And also like I will show like what value I've binded, which process I've invoked over here. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe